Hi, look what we have here. 2018 Range Rover Velar is a limited edition. It's a first edition. It's been made. It's only 100 of these cars made in the world. The color is a special color. Interior is a two-tone color. It has loads of extra rim, exhaust system, body kit, and the car is fully loaded. The first owner, he paid $135,000 for this car in 2018. And nowadays, you can buy it under $100,000. If you guys interested, you want information, as I told you guys, we sell luxury car, we sell special cars, and this baby is one of it. Range Rover Velar HSE R is gorgeous. It's got exhaust system, it's got all body kit, he has all of, spoiler, diffuser. The color is special and it's gorgeous car. If you look for something special, any car, give us a call or go online, www.parsmoto. We're here to help you guys. Thank you.